This is my lunch today. There is my measured rice. This is snake gourd, a vegetable which is chichinge in Bengali. And this is a Bengali chicken curry. It's a different kind of a murgi taltaley jhol. And keep watching. I've captured the recipe. A Bengali chicken curry, kind of a taltaley jhol, but with a different recipe. This does not need any prep and is quite delicious. Heat a pan and heat some mustard oil. Add a few whole spices. Two chopped onions. When the onion looks like this, add 4 chopped tomatoes. Add some salt to taste. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. 5 green chilies. Now keep cooking. I'm going to add the spices now. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. A teaspoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste. There is no cumin or coriander powder in this. It's a very simple chicken recipe without any kind of prep, and it's delicious. A pinch of sugar. Add a little water. And now cook this till the oil separates. The oil has separated. I'm adding 1 kilo of curry cut chicken. 4 potatoes. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes on medium to high flame. During this step, add some garam masala powder. Five minutes are over. The oil has separated. Now I'm going to add some hot water. It's a thin gravy without any prep. It's a kind of taltaley jhol but simpler. Actually, I like this one more. I'm adding a few more green chilies. Add it if you want to. When it comes to a boil, cover on low flame and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes till your chicken and your potatoes are cooked. 15-20 minutes are over. The chicken is cooked. The potato is boiled. Add a little bit of pepper powder. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes and your chicken is ready. Serve it hot with white rice. So this is one of my favorite chicken curries, and it is a kind of taltaley jhol, but it's not the same recipe as I usually make, which you all have made at home. This is actually more tasty. It is simpler. There is no curd, there is no cumin powder, there's no coriander powder, basically no dhone jeere, but it is yum, yum, yum. I have to use my fork, otherwise my nails will get yellow. I am so tempted to use my hands, but I can't today. So good. I always make my own chicken curry. My own taltaley jhol. What is your lunch?